Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use DSUM formula in Excel to sum values based on specific condition. Let's dive in. We have a table with 5 rows of products including their categories, prices and quantities. Our goal is to sum the prices of clothing items where the quantity is greater than 10. We will set the criteria like this: category and quantity. Category is clothing, quantity is greater than 10. This means we want to sum the prices for clothing category. Clothing category with quantities above 10. So now click on empty cell and type is equal DSUM database. Select your all table including headers, comma, field, price, criteria, now press enter. So the result is 140. Why the result is 140? Because the formula adds the prices of two items. One is jeans and second is shirt. Jeans is 100 price and shirt is 40. Since both meet the criteria, the result is 100 plus 40 is equal to 140. And that's how easy it is to use the DSUM formula. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.